Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus and I'm going to show you how to clean them correctly. I'm not maybe going to show you exactly, but I'm going to explain a few things. After swimming, which is actually very crucial, after swimming everywhere, anywhere, if it's just a pool or if it's salt water, you need to clean them, rinse them underwater. Chlorine, salt and minerals cause corrosion. Immediately after you swim, gently rinse the entire head in cool, fresh tap water. And remember to avoid solvents. Never use soap, shampoo, alcohol wipes or household cleaners as these degrade the waterproof seals and protective silicone coating. And apart from that, here you need to focus on discharging pins right here. Salt and body oil collect easily on the exposed metal contacts. You can wipe them using a soft microfiber cloth or a cotton swab lightly dampened with fresh water. And ensure dryness. Never attach the magnetic charging cable while the pins are wet. What about the speaker parts and the microphone parts? You need to shake out the moisture. If audio sounds muffled post-swim, shake the heads gently to dislodge trapped water drops inside the small microphone or vibration port cavities. Remember to air dry fully. Towel dry the entire head with a soft cloth and leave it in a well-ventilated dry area to air dry completely before storing or plugging in to charge. Don't use heat sources like hair dryers. Bye!